Hey, so I'm just gonna get straight into this video. Um, the easiest way to make quick money in your agency is a thing called a reactivation campaign. Okay. Sorry. So, what the fuck's a reactivation campaign? Reactivation campaign is essentially reactivating past clients. Reactivating past customers for your clients. Let's say, for example, I've already written this up. Make it easier for me. So let's say you have a tattoo parlor, right? That's your client. You're working with a tattoo parlor, and you want them to get more clients. Or advertising for them, or whatever. Before you even start advertising, you can do your reactivation campaign. And what that is you ask when you're on your presentation call with them, when you're getting ready to onboard them or whatever, you can ask them, hey, do you have a past customer list of customers you've worked with in the past? And they might say, yeah, I have some email and phone numbers. You go, okay, so you don't want emails, you want phone numbers. Sure, you can send out emails to people, but you'd prefer phone numbers. So you get their list. They can send it to you however you want, but try to get them to send you their past customer list in a way that makes it easy to copy and paste it into a spreadsheet. I've made up a fake one right here, and I'll show you what this is in a second. But you want it to be easy to copy and paste into a spreadsheet and differentiate the name, email, phone, so it's very easy. The reason for that is because sometimes I've had clients send them in with a PDF, and they've sent it like with dashes and tab to like move it across, using tab to like move it across like that and stuff, and it's just so it can get obnoxious, and it fucks up. So putting into a spreadsheet, it makes it all wonky, and it's really tough to mess around with. So you want to try to get them to send it in a really simple way, just spaces in between everything, so you can copy paste into a spreadsheet. So you ask for their list, and they send you their list, and then what you're doing with that list is you're reactivating those clients through an automated text rollout. So reactivation campaign is literally what it is. It's reactivating past clients. And the reason why it's so good is because it's $0 ad spend. Like, think about it. What are you doing with advertising? With advertising, I'll write down here. Advertising, you are trying to get new customers for the business, right? You're trying to get new customers in the business of the client you're working with. That is one of the things, but I would argue that's not as important as this, right? I'd argue that advertising is more so trying to get the name, email, and phone of the customer, right? What's better than getting them to pay for the service is getting their name, email, and phone number. I mean, you want them to pay for the service, but the thing is, the reason why I'm saying this is because not every person who signs up for your ad or whatever, puts their information in, is going to want to pay for the service. Tough luck, it doesn't matter. You gave me your name, email, and phone number, so now I can send a reactivation to you in any way, shape, and form. You've just conceded to me, essentially. You've given me your name and phone number. It's locked in now. So this is what you're really trying to do. It doesn't really matter if they pay or not. I mean, obviously the goal is to get them to pay. That's the whole point. But if they don't, it's not a big deal. I mean, you'll get people who will. You get people who just sign up for the ad for whatever reason. That's just sales. People sign up for the ad and they're like, oh, I don't want to pay for your tattoo. It's like, well, why just sign up for the ad? It doesn't really matter because you got their name, email, phone number. That's what's most important, because then you can send stuff out to them later. Like that's literally what advertising is. It's really to get these two things. That's why it's so good, is because it's $0 ad spend. The person you're working with probably already has an email or a phone list of past clients. You want to ask them that on the presentation call, or when you've cold called them and you're having a conversation, you can ask, hey, so what I can actually also do for you as a marketer is I can reactivate past clients for you. Do you have a list? Whatever. And what is exactly in the automated text rollout? So you're going to reactivate these clients, but how are you reactivating them? Well, you're sending all of them a text, preferably a text. You don't really want to do an email, but preferably a text. Because it's direct, goes straight to their phone, right? And what is in that text? What am I sending to them? Well, this is not in particular order, but this is just what I've done for the order, right? So first of all, you want to call out to the audience. So you want their name. You want their name so you can make it so that it's personalized. In the software I use, if you have them as a contact, it automatically, you can just do something like contact first name, and then the software automatically puts their name in there. That's with the software I use, but otherwise, I don't know if other softwares do that. They probably do, but otherwise you'd be doing it manually, which is shit. But either way, you want to call out to their name, right? Personalize it. Then you want to build rapport. Ask how they are. That's what rapport is. Rapport is building friendliness, friendship, whatever, kindness, whatever. Ask how they are. Be like, yeah, so how have you been? How's your, previous tattoo? I hope you've been well. And then your offer. So currently we're doing a 20% off voucher for new tattoos in our flash sale. We currently have 9 vouchers left. So this is doing 2 things. This is piquing their interest, going, oh, I would like to get 20% off my new tattoo. But then they're thinking like, do I need it? Right, whatever. But then you build urgency. Boom, we only have 9 vouchers. It's expiring in 3 weeks. Do you want it now or you're never going to get it again? And then they go, oh shit. I want this and now I have to get it quickly. So then they have to buy, right? And that's really bringing people in. So you need to build urgency and you need to build interest, right? Interest, then urgency. Right? Then you got to ask if they want it at the very end of the text. So at the very end of the text, be like, hey, so we only have 9 vouchers left. Would you like one? Something like that. Because then it makes it very easy for them to respond. You want them to be having the easiest time of their life. You want them to be able to respond without thinking about the response. If you make it a yes or no response, they're just going to be like, nah. Or, oh, yes, please, I would like one. Done. It makes it so easy for them. You want to make it so easy for them they can't fuck it up, right? That's the point. So that's your text rollout. You want it something like that for whatever business you're doing. And I've found, I've done this many times, 5 to 10% always book. Sometimes more, very rarely less, but it's always 5 to 10% always book, right? And if the tattoo cost for the reactivation or whatever is about $250, and they have a past customer list of 100 people, and if you're booking 10% of 100, that's 10 people. So if that's 250 times 10, that tattoo parlor is making 2,500. But if you're taking 10% of every booked appointment, then you're making 250, they're making 2,250. And if they have a past customer list of, let's say, 1,000 people, just add a 0 on every single number, and you've made $2,500, right, off of one client. That is essentially how it is. That's only if you're taking 10%. Preferably, you'd be taking more than 10%. Because that's kind of lowballing yourself. You can probably take 20% of all booked appointments, but whatever. It's up to you how your numbers work. But so then that's pretty much how it works. That's the maths. But so when you're onboarding your client, like the tattoo parlor, you want to ask them to send you their past customer list. And as I said before, you want them to send it in the easiest way possible so that you can copy and paste it into here by doing very little manual work to touch up all the little, sometimes they'll have like a -angela@gmail.com. And when you're copy and pasting it in here, Excel or Google Sheets will do it like that. And that's very annoying to differentiate, because then if I had a client do this, and then for whatever 228 whatever the phone number, right? The reason why that is shit is because if I were to tell Excel or Google Spreadsheet to separate all these values because of the spaces in between, it would also separate all of the numbers into different sections. So then it's just so much. And if I was doing that for 300 people, so I had to manually go in. So you want them to send it not like this. You want them to send it, get rid of spaces. Make sure they send it to you with only the spaces, no dashes, only spaces like this in between the things you want to differentiate. Only like that. So then you can very easily put it into Excel or Google Spreadsheet to make it an easy copy paste. And the reason you want to put it into Spreadsheet is because the software that I use has this. I don't know if other softwares have it. They probably do. It's common, but comma separated values, CSV. CSV file is essentially literally just this. And the software, if you're importing contacts, so this is the software that I use, just go to the contacts section, go to import contacts, and you just import, I'll save it, comma separated values. So then I'll, once I've downloaded it, I'll put it in here. Next. That is phone, yeah. Email, name, yeah, sweet. Submit. And that will put them in. And if I just, boom. And it literally just put them in. It just put them in like that. Cool. So these are the new ones I've put in. And that's literally, it's as easy as that. And then it goes into the software, and then you can now select them, send them to a pipeline, whichever pipeline you want, sales, lead section. And then when you send them to that lead section, it'll run an automation system that you've created in the lead section. Perfect. That's why I say this software is beautiful. Go high level. It's great. But yeah, essentially, that's what a reactivation campaign is, right? That's what it is, and that's how you want to put it in a Google spreadsheet or an Excel file. Export a CSV. If you're using Go High Level, I mean, if you're not, then you're making a mistake. But if you're using Go High Level, import as CSV. Put it in there, and it's so simple. Just import the contacts, and then they are in. And if it's separated like this, name, email, phone, done. That's the only 3 things you need: name, email, phone, done, and it's perfect. So yeah, essentially, that's the quickest way to make money with your agency, because I recommend doing this before you do advertising. Before you do advertising, you want to do your reactivation, because not only does it build trust with your client, but it's so freaking easy. Advertising takes time. You have to test the ads, do this, do that, make sure everything's perfect. Reactivation campaign, you already have their information. You just send it out and it's done. And it costs money to send out the automated text rollout. If you're sending it to 100 people, it might cost you like $40. But if you're sending it out to 100 people and it's costing you $40, you're probably making in this case, sending out to 100 people, just get rid of all the zeros. You'd be making $250. So you'd be making $210. That's a small amount, but that's only if you're taking 10%. Like if you're taking 20%, then they would be making 2,000. You'd be making 500. You'd be making 500 just like that. And if the cost of this was more, if it was like 400 or something, or 500, then they'd be making 4,000 and you'd be making 1,000, right? So it depends obviously on your numbers, but you want to obviously make sure that you're not lowballing yourself. But those are essentially the numbers, and it is quick money. It's easy money. I mean, you make if you're an appointment based service. So if you're getting paid per appointment you get them, and you're not getting paid per sale, which you should be doing, you should be getting paid per appointment, not per sale, then you would immediately make this 1,000. You'd immediately, like within 2 or 3 days, that's when most of the people that are gonna book with the reactivation campaign, that's when they're gonna book. You would have just made 1,000 in like 2 days, and then with that you can advertise your business. And then when you advertise your business, you can get more clients in and do more reactivation campaigns. It's a constant cycle, right? That's why reactivations are perfect. It's the easiest way to make quick money in your agency. It is perfect. Remember, so reactivation campaign is reactivating past clients that the new client you're with already has. You do that before advertising because it builds trust with your client, and it's so freaking easy. You don't have to do any worrying about ads, testing creatives, testing copies, making sure this is perfect, like doing split tests, what's working. You just straight away do this and it works. Done, right? That's the easiest way to make quick money in your agency. Yeah, I think that is it. Just got to be ready to deal with appointment setting is all I have to say. Like, you can text and or call the people that are coming in, that are wanting to book the appointment, or that are responding, or your client, like the owner of the tattoo parlor or the receptionist or whatever, can do it. It depends on your service if you do appointment setting or not, but you could do it, your client could do it, just someone's got to do it, someone's got to book them in, and then you make quick money. Essentially that's it. That's the whole video. But yeah, just be ready. It's gonna get hectic. That's the end. That's it. Awesome. Again, if you want to support me in any way, again, I'm never gonna release a course ever. Well, at least not a paid course. If I'm gonna do a course, it's gonna be free. But if you do want to support me in any way, the software that I use, I have an affiliate link. It helps me out. I get a small cut, so get a 14-day free trial. That's if you want to. You don't have to. This is free anyway. It doesn't matter. But awesome. Thank you for watching.